Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome biggity back, y'all. Hey, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello. If you are not new here, then it's just, of course, welcome back. My name is Kelsi, and I have lost 115 pounds using my tool, the gastric sleeve. It's my hope that through my videos you're able to find the answers to questions you've been looking for, or the path to choosing surgical weight loss is made that much easier. Welcome back, you guys, to freezing cold Alabama. I mean, it's so cold here. I'm just playing. It's just blush, and the hat is just for aesthetic purposes. I think it's 67 degrees outside, maybe 70, and it's raining. It's definitely spring here. Anyways, if you guys can tell from the video title, we're going to be doing a bariatric holiday gift giving guide. Chances are, if you're watching this video, either you are a bariatric patient or you have someone on your list who is a bariatric patient and you have no idea what to buy them, since food is pretty much out of the question. Yeah, I know. And if you just want to buy things for yourself, because buying something from you for you, totally acceptable. I do that all the time. You know, I tell my friends, as some coworkers, like, there's not a year that doesn't go by that you see 2 or 3 gifts under the tree that say from Kelsi to Kelsi. Absolutely. So you may get some, tips and hints and whatever from this video, and just about things that you would like to purchase for yourself. Whatever you're watching this video for, I hope that it gives you some guidance onto what a bariatric patient would need or what they could use after surgery, because it's important. Anyway, let's get into the first item. Let me introduce you to my Bubba Cup. This is my Bubba Cup. The lid is somewhere in the kitchen. It got washed today. It gets washed probably every other day, because whatever I put in there stays warm and or cold for 24 hours. This is probably the best drinking receptacle that I have purchased for myself since the beginning of my surgery. And I feel like, a cup is could be looked at as such a mediocre gift, not to a bariatric patient. I'm so serious. We drink so much, and we have to put so much emphasis on drinking that cups matter. I'm talking pretty cups, insulated cups, big cups, small cups, marked cups, whatever helps you get your liquid down. And this has been a tried and true, like, through the fire friend of mine. Like, I've dropped it so many times, like, it's damaged and it's dented, but I'm telling you, it still holds drinks cold just the same. For me, especially if I make like an iced coffee, if I put it in a glass container, like the pretty aesthetic glass containers, which I love and I do have those, it gets watered down, and then it's not tasty, and I end up wasting it and not drinking it. This keeps drinks cold, I know, at a minimum of 24 hours minimum. I feel like I've left this in my car and went out and took a drink, like, after maybe a day or so. That's so gross. And the drink was still cold, and this is in the middle of summer. So listen, it comes with a straw, it comes with a really nice lid. It's not spill proof, and it doesn't fit in my car cup holder, but my car is an older car, so that might be the problem. I know most cup holders in other cars fit it, but the Bubba Cup, I got it from Walmart. I think it was maybe $10 or $12. Perfect gift, or any type of drinking receptacle, because your friend or you may not be fond of cold drinks. I know that I was in the beginning of my, like, post-op life. I did not want cold water. Now I cannot drink water if it is not cold with a nice crisp ice to it. So a Bubba Cup, or an insulated cup, or just a fancy cup that either has like time markings or something on it, just a cup, a bottle, a beverage receptacle would be a good idea. All right, so the next item that should be on your bariatric shopping list, or for your gift list, pre-portioned containers. I think these made an appearance on one of my videos. These came from Amazon. I got these early in my post-op life, and I have never stopped using them. I think 12 came in the set, and they're both half cup portions. These have been my tried and true. I have used these to the end, and they have held in. Dollar Tree is a really good place to get like smaller pre-portioned items. Like, I have these really cute nifty ones that come with lids to match. Let's see if I can grab one out of here. I am like the Tupperware pre-portioned queen. I put meals in here. I put snacks in here. I put little, if I'm feeling fancy, I'll make a little charcuterie board for myself because I am a bougie girl. And they're the perfect size for bariatric patients. So any type of pre-portioned food storage containers. I literally have so many. I check out Dollar Tree all the time because they have really good options and they're affordable. Sometimes you can get 2 or 3 in a pack for $1.25, and that you cannot beat. I don't remember exactly how much these were, but these are probably my favorite out of all of them. So check these out. I will link them in the description box below. I think they may even be on my link tree because so many people asked me about these when I would do my meal prep. So number 2. Food storage containers. Look at that nail. Sorry for the missing nail. Number 3. So with me, and I don't know if this is just, just me or if this is, any bariatric patient, but I feel like every bariatric patient does this or goes through this. We eat a lot of eggs. Scrambled, boiled, fried, poached, whatever. So I have learned to love all of these different egg tools. I feel like my most favorite way to eat an egg is fried soft or fried medium on avocado toast. You guys, I did a mukbang with that. I still eat that almost every day. It is one of my favorite foods. It's healthy, it's fresh, and that egg, it gives me that protein. And I would hate to I just didn't like the way that my eggs looked on my toast. And, of course, you're finding ways to make your food look more pretty and appealing to you because taste and the way stuff looks matters now. Anyways, so I found this thing on Walmart.com and I ordered, when I ordered my groceries, and the brand is called Joie, Joie. I will also link this in the description box down below. You can use these to make fried or poached eggs. You could either scramble it, if you're wanting to make a breakfast sandwich. What this is, and look at how unhappy this guy is. He's like, "You're gonna eat me." Don't eat me. So it's a silicone ring, and this enables you to pick it up. But what you do is you put it into a non-stick pan and you let it get hot, and then you drop your egg in, and then you can scramble it in there, or you could scramble before you pour it in. I put a little bit of non-stick spray on my skillet, pop this in, and let it get a little hot, drop my egg in, and cook it maybe a minute, if that, and it gives me perfectly circled fried eggs for my avocado toast every time. And for breakfast sandwiches, I really love this. I got 2 of these because I do meal prep breakfast sandwiches sometimes, and I don't want to just have to do one at a time, especially when I'm making 5 sandwiches. So yes, if you can check this out, I think that any type of egg tool, even they have a boiled egg slicer, which I think is so cool. I have one of those. I didn't grab it. I just grabbed this. But any type of egg tool. Seriously, I'm serious. Get your bariatric friend, get yourself egg tools, because we eat a lot of eggs, because eggs are I feel like they were probably the easiest for me to digest in the beginning and pretty much now, and they're high in protein. So get an egg tool. The next item on my gift list is going to be a scale, some sort of food scale. And sorry, this is nasty as it comes. It lets you know I use it. Typically it gets wiped off, but it's just covered in tonight's dinner. So this one is digital. I got it from, I believe, Walmart. Ooh, sorry. Got it from Walmart. It does have the different units. You could do, there's pounds, ounces, and I believe that's it. This one, why is it? So this particular one has different settings. It has pounds and ounces, fluid ounces, and I think just a regular grams, milliliters, and that's it. So it's pounds, pound and ounces, 1 pound 8 ounces, fluid ounces, grams, and milliliters. So this one I think was maybe $8 or $10 at Walmart. It's been a staple. Just making sure that when I'm doing my meal prep that I'm not overindulging, or just helping me to maintain my food prep preparedness and just being thorough with meal prepping. So I feel like this is a really good gift for a bariatric patient. If they don't have one, get them one. I think Amazon has them for pretty cheap as well. And also on bariatricpal.com, they have them as well. Really good idea. I highly recommend. 10 out of 10. Next gift giving idea for a weight loss surgery patient or for yourself is going to be some sort of vitamin prescription, or no, I'm sorry, vitamin subscription, vitamin gift card, vitamin something. Every bariatric patient is going to have to take vitamins after their surgery. Every patient. There are none of us who are not going to take our pills or our vitamins. You know, it's all just to ensure that we are healthy. As you guys know, berry melts are my favorite. I do have my promo code linked in the description box down below, and not just because I'm a partner with them, but actually because I truly stand behind berry melts. I actually really love them. To this day, I am still taking chewable vitamins, and I also just came out with a 1 pill a day vitamin that is absolutely phenomenal. I kind of bounce back and forth between the two. The 1 a day vitamins typically made me feel icky, and these do not. They don't mess up my stomach. They don't give me that nasty nauseated feeling and that watery sensation in my mouth. They are great. Like literally, they're fantastic. If you have a chance and you're wanting to move from chewables or gummies to 1 pill a day, check out the vitamin. It's called the Step Up. I can't even talk. It's called the Step Up from Berry Melts. It is a 1 pill a day multivitamin. Just check it out. But anyways, I think that every bariatric patient should have some sort of vitamin subscription, vitamin program. If you have a bariatric patient who just had the surgery or is getting ready to have the surgery, get them some vitamins or get them a gift card to GNC to, find out who their surgeon is, because 9 times out of 10, most of our surgeons have their own vitamin that they do prefer their patients use. Call them, get a gift card, or just buy their vitamins for them. I'm sure that whoever will tell you, hey, this is what they need, and do it. I feel like throughout my post-op life, the vitamins have been the most expensive. Vitamin upkeep, not only multivitamins, but like collagen, biotin, different supplements to ensure that my body is still functioning the way that it's supposed to. That's been the most expensive for me. So yes, I definitely think you should get vitamins or some sort of vitamin subscription for your bariatric friend or for yourself. So the next item that would be a fantastic gift for any bariatric patient is going to be a pill organizer. This one you guys have seen, it's missing today's pills because it's in there on the counter, but it helps bariatric patients stay organized with their pills. This one I think I lucked up and got at Ross for $6.99. It is so cool. It has little compartments that you can take with you. You don't have to, because I think in the beginning I had a big clunky one, and it just made like taking my vitamins weird. it was too much. But anyways, so these, they can be removed, and they are labeled morning, noon, evening, whatever, and by the day. It also comes with a nifty pill cutter just in case you have to cut anything, and also it has the sorting lines on here. I definitely feel like an established person, but what's cool is with the sorting lines, you just pop this little baby in here like this. And when it's open, you have your pills and you just pop them in there instead of having to drop them in there individually. So that it makes it quick because sorting your pills is always time consuming. But yes, I do feel that a pill organizer is definitely something that is a great gift for a bariatric patient. So the next thing we're going to talk about is probably one of the things I have used the most and I'm still using to this day. Pretty much everything that I've mentioned here except for... No, I use everything. Everything I'm using all of this to the day, but I literally used this morning. This is my food processor. This was probably one of the best purchases I made. I bought this at Target for $20. This is a Ninja food processor. It holds 0.5 liters, 2 cups, and 16 ounces. So it's Ninja. Target, I bought it online, pulled up, and they brought it to me. This just made everything so easy to process, especially in the beginning when I was having to eat pureed foods and soft soups. And when I don't know if you guys remember, but when I would, do my eat with me's, and I would show you guys how I would you know, blend up my soups, this is what I use. And when I say the blades are still sharp, this thing is still ticking along 2 years later. I love it. If you have a bariatric patient friend or yourself who needs a food processor or is going to have the surgery and does not have the food processor, get them one. It doesn't have to be this one. I think Walmart sells like a bullet type of blender, I think for anywhere between $14 to $20. Just the magic bullet. I mean, there's so many different handheld blender options. I do not know why I cannot talk, you guys. I cannot get words out. Handheld blender type options that are going to make pureeing and, you know, breaking those foods down to their most simplest form. This is something that you're gonna need, and it's really hard to do it in a big blender, especially if you're not making that much food. This, you know, it's just perfect. It was the perfect size for the portion sizes I was having to put in here. I didn't have to add a lot of liquid. It did its job. I feel like with the bigger blender, you have to add in a lot of liquid, and, you know, it just makes it weird. So check into a blender like this, whether it's the handheld one from Walmart. This one, like I said, at the time was $20. I'll try to link this below if I can find it. I did get it 2 years ago with my Employee of the Month gift card that I won at work. Thanks, employer, for for buying this for me. Oh my gosh, I swear, I'm just losing my mind. So last but not least, I think that one of the best gifts that you can get for a bariatric patient is going to be some sort of smartwatch. For me, I've had a smartwatch since the beginning, since I first got out of my surgery. I wanted to be able to track my steps to make sure that I was meeting my step allotment. And it's very important to me to get my steps in. This is dead right now. This, for some reason, this is a Samsung Galaxy watch. It does not stay charged very long. But it's fantastic. I took it off today and it just died. So typically I get anywhere between 8 to 12,000 steps a day, and I like to make sure that I am gauging that. I always feel naked when I don't have it on because I can't look down and say, okay, got to get up and move some more. For me, not meeting my step goals is definitely motivation to get up and move, and I feel like every bariatric patient needs one of these. It helps. You can set reminders to drink your water. You can set, you know, reminders to eat. You can set reminders to drink your protein drink. And most importantly, you measure your steps. So if you have a bariatric patient friend, get them one. I feel like I've said that so many times. If you have a bariatric friend, get them this. I mean, but that's just how it is. Anyways, you guys, I hope you guys have all of my stuff laying on the floor around me. If you guys have, you know, gifts that you want to get people, I hope this video really helps you. I hope that you guys are able to find some inspiration from these videos. You know, get creative, get fun. Like, if you get someone a Bubba cup like this, put their name on it. Put, you know, positive affirmations on the cup. You know, everybody has a Cricut. If you don't have a Cricut, I'm sure somebody will print it out for you. You know, they come in an array of colors, and I feel like personalized gifts, or gifts that, you know, it's always the thought that counts. So even if you can't afford any of this, and you just, you know, say, hey, you know, I couldn't get this for you, but I got this for you. This is what my budget allowed. I am sure that your bariatric friend or you will be very grateful for the thought. If you guys haven't and you would like to, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, become a member of my family. I would love to have you here. Also, if you have not and you would like to, head on over to Facebook, to my Facebook group, One Bite at a Time. It's a safe place to talk about hard things, not just weight loss surgery related, but all things. I love you guys so very much, and I'm so happy to be spending the holidays with you. Until next time, until my next video, peace from 70-degree weather, Alabama, where I look like Cindy Lou Who. I look cold, and I like it. I wish I could wear my makeup like this all the time. I just want to look cold all the time. Bye.